Did you miss 2025's online cash wave? I'm UF, a certified financial planner, and I've unlocked 5 unique ways to earn. Don't ignore these bonus tip inside. Hello everyone, I'm UF, a certified financial planner with over 10 years guiding clients to riches. In 2025, online income is exploding. New niches are gold mines. I'll be sharing my top 5 ways: virtual tutoring, stock photography, podcasting, surveys, and freelance coding, plus why you can't skip them. Also, a bonus tip awaits. Ready to cash in? Let's go. 2025's economy demands new income. Traditional jobs are fading. Meet Priya. She's an Indian student in need of $300 per month. And there's John, a US worker seeking $1,000 extra. A 2025 trend report shows 65% miss online opportunities. Even I nearly did too. Don't let these hacks pass you by. Comment below. What income gap do you face? Like me before, your wallet's probably a dry well. These hacks will refill it. Virtual tutoring is first. You can teach online and earn. I tutor math via Zoom. This alone makes me $18,000 yearly. You can use platforms like tutor.com, target subjects you know, and charge 20 hour. Don't skip this. VR tutoring is surging in 2025. I added VR sessions. This doubled my engagement. Priya earns $500 every month. Ignore it and lose a high-demand edge. Priya's $6,000 in a year from VR tutoring proves it. Don't sleep on this. Stock photography is next. Sell your shots online. I earn $3,000 per month on Shutterstock with nature pics. Use a smartphone, upload to Getty Images, and earn royalties. Don't overlook this. AI editing is booming in 2025 per Adobe Stats. I use Photoshop AI to stand out. John earns $1,000 every month. Miss it, and your photos lag behind. Podcasting's third. Share your voice and profit. I earn $2,000 per month on Anchor with finance tips. Record with a mic, host on Spotify, and attract sponsors. Niche podcasts are up 25% in 2025 per Podcast Index. I target crypto novices. Priya also earns roughly $400 per month. Skip it and miss a loyal audience. Priya's up $4,800 in a year from niche podcasting. Don't let this pass. Online surveys are fourth. Earn from opinions. I make $500 every month on Swagbucks with crypto rewards. Sign up, complete daily surveys, and cash out via blockchain wallets. Don't skip this. Crypto rewards and surveys are up 40% in 2025 per coin market cap. I doubled my earnings. John makes $200 per month. Ignore it and miss a digital gold rush. John's $2,400 in a year from crypto surveys. Don't overlook this. Freelance coding is fifth. Build and earn. I make $4,000 a month on Upwork with web apps. Learn basics on Codecademy. Join Fiverr and bid on projects. Don't ignore this. Tech demands up 35% in 2025 per LinkedIn. I scaled my skills. Priya earns $1,200 a month. Skip it and lose a high-paying future. Priya's $14,400 in a year from coding. Don't let this opportunity slip. Here's your 2025 action plan. 1. Tutoring. Join tutor.com, add VR sessions. My $18K per year start. 2. Photography. Upload to Shutterstock. Use AI editing. This was John's $12K win. 3. Podcasting. Start on Anchor, target niches. This is Priya's $4,800 success. 4. Surveys. Sign up for Swagbucks, chase crypto rewards. John's $2,400 gain. Coding. Learn on Codecademy, then bid on Upwork. That's Priya's $14,400 payoff. 6. Track with Google Calendar for consistency. Bonus tip. I manage time with a Pomodoro app. Boost your output. Download my free 2025 Money Hacks guide in the description. Like, subscribe to Money Pulse, and share your plan. Let's thrive together.